So what's the laziest way you can use to make $86,000 in profit in just 30 days without selling your own product on TikTok Shop? I love this case study. So excited to show you what I've found here. So firstly, who are we talking about? We are talking about this content creator here, and we're going to circle back to something very interesting that they're doing here in just a second. But let's talk about what products they are promoting. And if you're new here, my name is Victor. I use my experience as a marketing project manager to share what's working in e-commerce, AI, and affiliate marketing right now. So if that sounds like your vibe, there's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen. First of all, this is a TikTok Shop affiliate, which means they are selling other people's products and making a commission every time someone clicks their link on the video and purchases the product. But let's profile the product first. We'll circle back to the content creator. I'm going to play you a couple of videos here, which I found very interesting, really good at what they do. And spoiler alert, they're not having to put in a ton of effort. But the product that is currently rinsing it at the moment on TikTok Shop affiliate is this Pet Pivot Auto Scooper. The clue is in the name. It scoops cat poop, basically. So a couple of base details we're going to explore here. So it's 7% commission. I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can try today. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button so the message can be seen by more people like yourself. That you earn every time you promote one of these and someone buys it from your video. So $175 is the selling price. So you're going to get 7% off that every single time. Now, how have they done over the last 30 days? So Pet Pivot have generated in revenue $5.2 million. I've spoken about the pricing strategy here. They've gone for a quote unquote high tier premium product where TikTok Shop is concerned, which is a beautiful place to be if you select a product that is not only high tier, but addresses a specific problem that people are willing to pay to address. And people with pets, in my knowledge, they will pay whatever it takes to look after their pets and make sure that they are provided for. And these are people who take care of their pets properly. By the way, not everyone does, I understand, even during these recessions and so forth. Now, 5.2 million in the last 30 days. They've sold 39,000 of these units. $132 is the average unit price. So this is generally the base price, but obviously you've got sales, discounts, promotions that they run and so forth, which means they're averaging it around this much from these products that they've sold. Now, from live sessions that various people are creating trying to sell this product, they've generated $636,000 in the last 30 days out of that $5.2 million. But ladies and gentlemen, once again, the majority of the revenue they have generated comes from, drumroll, video revenue. Video revenue is when someone picks up their phone, they film a video, they talk about the product, they review it genuinely, and they upload it on TikTok. This is the majority of the revenue that they have generated. Now, the positives, which I often talk about in my videos, and the good thing about it is video, on-demand video, as we like to call it, is one of the easiest way and one of the most comfortable is the wrong word to use, but it's easier than having to go live and having to answer people's questions. A lot of people aren't really built for that. A lot of people aren't comfortable doing that. And it may cause anxiety in some instances, but when you just film a video, put it out there, a lot of people are generally easier with that. My point is, if people are promoting your product and you're a shop, they're going to feel a bit more comfortable doing these videos, posting them, as opposed to going live. Although they did get a fair bit live, they absolutely destroyed it with their video revenue at 4.5 million. Product card is the list of their revenue, and so forth. Nothing new. Now we can see an interpretation of this data here, which we're not going to waste time on. Now, the interesting thing that I found, circling back to our friend here, Mr. Dome 811, who's absolutely crushing it. Well done to him, by the way. They are the top selling content creator in the last 30 days for this Pet Pivot product. Now, why am I mentioning this? Because if you look at the number of TikTok followers, they've got 10.5k followers. And if you look at some of the accounts that have not done as well as they have, 39k followers, 47k followers, 185,000 followers, which goes back to what I often say in these case studies. You don't need a huge following to absolutely crush it on TikTok Shop. You just need the right attitude, the right work ethic, working smart, not necessarily hard, as I'm about to show you in just a second, as well as the right video ad, which is exactly what this content creator has done here. They've generated 1.2 million in the last 30 days in revenue. This is how many items they've moved, and all of it is from video revenue. They have not done a single live session selling this product. Let's look into what they've done in a bit more detail here. And I'm going to play you their videos that they've done in just a second here. These are their metrics. Remember, we said this product gives you 7% commission for every sale that you make. So they've totaled 1.2 million, which means going into their wallet, they've made 86,800 in just the last 30 days alone. Now imagine if you could earn 86,800 a month from creating silly TikTok videos. How insane is that? What job do you have to do? What qualifications would you need to earn that amount in the United States of America per month, or anywhere in the world, to earn 86,800? You can see why people were literally crying when they were talking about potentially banning TikTok in the USA. I know it's still up in the air. I know it's still a possibility, but you can see why. Some people are happy. The people that aren't making anything from it, that are just seeing it as a huge waste of time and controversial. But there are people that are absolutely making a killing on TikTok. And these are the people that were crying tears, marching when the USA was wanting to completely remove or buy TikTok from the owners, ByteDance. But I digress. Now, 86,800 in the last 30 days is their profit. Now, what I like about what I'm seeing here is you can see they have absolutely, basically, they're riding until the wheels fall off. They are focusing only on this product in the majority of their recent videos. This section shows all the products that you are promoting as a TikTok Shop affiliate. They have been selling nothing but this one product. Why? Because they've found a winning product and they have stuck to it. You can see they were experimenting with other different products here that weren't doing as well, but they found the one and they just rinsed and repeat, and it's clearly working for them. Yes, a lot of these are ads, but of course the shop is going to throw some money at your videos when they can see the algorithm is favoring them, is picking them up, and they've got potential to make more money out of that. They're going to say, yeah, here's 20, 30 grand, whatever it is. Let's push it and see how much money we can make. On that note, the highest video that has made them the most money is this one here, $653,000 in the last 30 days, 24 million views. They have had nearly $100,000 spent on that video, and the return on ad spend is 4.2, which means for every dollar this shop gave to TikTok to promote this video, they got $4 back. So imagine you saying to TikTok, hey, here's $1, promote my video, and TikTok saying, okay, I'll give you $4 back. For every dollar you give me, I'll give you $4 back. That's exactly what's happening here. So definitely worth the amount of money the shop has spent on that. And remember, they didn't necessarily spend all of this at once. The more sales are happening, the more daily revenue is happening, the more you're going to buy more ads, right? If you make 10 grand today, then, you're going to buy ads tomorrow and so forth. And that's exactly what they've been doing, and it's clearly working for them. They are absolutely spending a decent chunk on ads, and it's absolutely crushing it and working for them. Now let's look at the videos. What is this creator saying in these videos to absolutely crush it and make this much money? Let's look at the first one. Now this one is the top one here that made the most money. I'm going to click on TikTok video link here, which is going to take us to TikTok. Then we're going to just have a listen at the hook and have a scroll around and see what we can learn. Again, if there's any harsh language or anything, I may just scroll past, or if there's any copyright music, I may just scroll past or not continue with the video at all. But let's have a look and let's talk about it. By the way, if you enjoy reading this type of content as well as watching, the link on the description, on the pinned comment, and at the end of this video takes you to my free newsletter where I publish case studies in written format just like this one regularly to make it as easy as possible for you to make your first $100, $1, $1,000 online on TikTok Shop. Again, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's continue with the video.
They may try to kick me out for this, but you have to see what they're doing to these cats. $560 for an automatic litter box. This is what is going to happen when your cat goes poop in the Pet Pivot Auto Scooper litter box. I'm going to be fast and simple, so keep up. And
I like what they've done there at the beginning. So they've gone to the supermarket or wherever it is, and they've probably gone and found the most expensive cat litter product, and they've shown that price. And they've said, this is how much you're being charged to buy automated cat litter products. So they're really hammering in the pain. You're being exploited. this is what they're doing for you. This is what they're doing to your cat, really hammering it home that, look, you're in trouble. This is how much you're paying. And they jump straight into their solution, their product that they're promoting.
Oh, this one is not $500. 70
Straight away that this one is not $500, by the way.
seconds after your cat leaves, the pre-cleaning cycle is going to start. It's going to bury the poop, bury the pee so it doesn't smear here on the sides. Also to dry it out so your guests don't smell the stink throughout your entire home and judge you while it's turning. If it detects any kind of motion, it's going to automatically stop because there's infrared laser sensors in here. You get the litter box. Let's say you hate it. They have free returns. Any questions you have for the brand, they've sold over 60,000 of these litter boxes.
Notice that they haven't said you can buy it here or here's the link yet. They haven't really gone into that call to action. They're just saying, look, people are going and buying that over there and it's costing them an arm and a leg. Meanwhile, I've got this. It doesn't cost that. Let me show you how it works. Let me just show you real quick how it works. And he's demonstrating it to you. You can see it working. It's genuine. It's right there. And as he's talking, he's also including some screenshots, that some information there via text, is some additional text and to support him, to help him with what he's saying. So even if you're watching the video and you haven't got your audio on, you can get an idea of the price and where he's going with things, which I think is really clever. Or if you're someone that's deaf and you're watching this video and you can't hear any audio, you can still get an idea. Oh, I know what that is. That's a cat litter box. I can get 3-day shipping on it for free. It's roughly this much. So really smart way of doing it.
They ship straight from New Jersey. They're not shipping from China. Anyways, the poop, the pee is going to drop right.
Ship straight from New Jersey. They're not shipping from China. So local shipping if you're in the US. So straight away you're thinking, wow, I can get this like in a couple of days. I'm not going to wait 6 weeks for it to be delivered.
Down there into the bucket. This auto box is not fully turned, so your cat is not going to get pinched or stuck inside the litter box.
Notice that they are demonstrating the product as they are talking. Again, that adds to that realism. They're not just talking about it. They're not saying, hey, here it is. It works. Buy it. Goodbye. Look, watch it. This is how it works. This is the weight, the maximum weight. This is, how you put this in there. You do that. Let me demonstrate it for you. Let me show you how it works as I'm talking to you. The video is not a $10,000 edited high production video. It's literally just filming on their phone. And they're clearly talking about something that they use, or at least you get the sense that they use this for their own cat. So that just adds to that whole authenticity is the word I'm looking for when they are promoting this product.
Just the extra safety sensors here. Notice how it automatically stopped. Then the poo box is going to be sealed back off. If you ever want to use it manually, you can use these 3 buttons. Auto boxes use litter more efficiently, so you will be saving money on litter. This box down right here is really wide. I have 1 cat. I only take this out around twice a month. Yeah, you heard that right. Twice a month. This yellow tab right down here, you pull it, it's going to close the bag shut for
us. Here.
And just dump it right back into the box. And then also 8 to 10 months worth of these free liner bags for the box. The litter box's store was literally $500, like a third of the price. Plus it has the free gifts. Plus it has the pre-cleaning cycle. Plus it has the wide box. Plus it has all the extra
benefit stacking. So here's all what it does. Here are the features. Here's a demo of how it works. Now is about to get into the CTA. He's stacking all the benefits and all the stuff that you're going to be getting. But remember, you already know from the beginning that this is not a waste of your time, because this is not going to cost as much as all those other products all those other cat litter products you've seen from the store that are like $500-$600. Now he's gonna hit you with, this is, click here to buy or whatever. Give you that call to action after you've seen what it works. By now, if you've watched the entire video and you're a cat owner and you've got this problem, you're pretty much already sold.
Sensors, plus they're shipping out of New Jersey and they're not shipping out of China. You still see the link right down there. They're still in stock. They may try to kick me off.
Bro, absolutely crushed it. Let's go on to the next one here. Let's see what this one tells us quickly. My laptop is just running out of battery as well.
They don't kick me out for this, but I have to show you what they're doing to these cats. Look, an automatic litter box, $430. Okay.
Now, I'm not going to play the whole one here because, again, my laptop battery is about to die. But they are using the same strategy. They are using the same hook that's working. Going in a store, showing you how much other people are being charged for this product, and then jumping straight into the alternative, which is cheaper.
This is what is going to happen to you.
And which you can see being used right in front of you. So demonstrating everything as he's talking, and then going on at the end and jumping into the call to action.
Barely, because it's very quiet. I get to come home from work and the only litter boxes for a reason for this Christmas. That just means they're still in stock right now. Any questions at all? I want to try and read.
Beautiful. So again, exactly the same thing. So the lesson for me there, he knows what works. He knows what benefits to focus on, what features to focus on. And essentially, he's reusing what works, which has, again, made him $86,800 in 30 days promoting this one disgusting but efficient product.